Hi, can you introduce yourself, please?
I'm Geraldine. I'm 41 years old, married. I have two kids. I took up bachelor secondary education.
Can you tell me about your work experiences?
My work experience is year 2014-2016. I work in Kuwait. I take care the elderly. And then year 2021-2022, I work my first employer here in Hong Kong, but I work only 7 months because the relocation in Australia. And then year 2022-2024, I work my current employer here in Hong Kong. I take care the elderly. And also I clean the household, like for example, clean the house, ironing, and then cooking, and then marketing.
Okay. Why you don't want to renew the contract with your current employer?
I don't want to renew my current employer because the elderly he don't want to cooperate with me, especially during I change his diaper.
What is your preferred holiday?
My preferred holiday is Sunday.
Are you willing to share work with other helper?
No,
Are you willing to share room with other helpers or kids?
no, I want to own my own room so that I want my privacy.
Are you willing to take care of pets?
Yeah, I really.
Do you take care of sick elderly or healthy elderly?
I take care the sick elderly.
What is the medical condition of sick elderly?
The elderly have an insomnia.
How do you take care of sick elderly?
I check his blood pressure and then I give him medicine for him.
What is your message to your new employer?
Mom, please choose with me because I promise I do my best to take care the elderly or some household in your house, and I promise to do my best to do it. And God bless and thank you.